So guys, this might be the news you've all been waiting for. Tesla is preparing to upgrade older vehicles with the latest hardware, bringing one key component, and that component is going to enable unsupervised full self-driving. It has been fully tested and confirmed to be working. Early last month, as the Model S and X were reintroduced with a new exterior and interior design, they brought along the infamous front bumper camera, joining the rest of the family. Since then, the interest has increasingly grown as multiple Model 3 prototypes have been spotted featuring a front bumper camera fully integrated into the design. Despite this, production units continue to ship without the hardware, leaving the Model 3 as the only vehicle in the lineup still missing the front bumper camera. This has raised questions among many owners whether the exclusion is intentional, if an update is just around the corner, or if a retrofit option may soon be offered. Once again uncovered by Green the Only, a closer look at the latest production details have revealed something entirely new. By comparing the computer units from the 2024 models to those in the 2025s, he identified major internal differences not yet documented, changes that would make the car compatible with future retrofits. After further digging, he discovered that similar to the Model Ys, Tesla has started producing updated full self-driving computer units now appearing in newer vehicles under a different part number. This new board includes additional empty ports, allowing for future sensor expansion, which further confirms that Tesla is not only preparing for the upcoming front bumper camera, but also for any future hardware and sensors down the line. And while the exact timeline for when these boards first appeared still remains unknown, Green believes they likely entered production in late 2024, meaning that vehicles built from that point onwards may already be equipped. For owners, this now means that thanks to the added ports, upgrading to the front bumper camera could be a very straightforward process once Tesla makes it official and available as a retrofit option. Alright, so we're not going to jump ahead of the game here and say that it's going to arrive next week or next month, but we can confidently say that Tesla is definitely preparing to upgrade the Model 3, the latest ones rolling off of the production lines. And then to further confirm that this is 100% the case, a recent discovery found that Tesla's latest software update is fully ready and compatible with a plug-and-play method, now is fully working with the upgraded camera system. Discovered and shared by user next known as Yarrow, it was confirmed without question that older Model S's and X's are fully compatible with the latest front bumper camera hardware. By pulling components from a newer vehicle and integrating them into a 2023 Model X, he successfully activated the front bumper camera feed along with all its features to appear directly on the display while in service mode. Yarrow confirms that all that's required is the front camera, front bumper grille, wiring harness, washer motor, extra hoses, and changing some configuration IDs. While this may still require a visit to the service center, in reality, all it takes is some patience and dedication to get everything working straight from your home. And as we've recently discovered, Yarrow has also confirmed that late 2024 Model 3 builds come equipped with the front bumper camera connector on the car's computer, making them fully compatible with the same retrofit. What this means is that not only are the latest Model 3s ready for the upgrade to the newest sensor suites, but any vehicles with the updated board connectors could also be eligible. Now, in other news, yet another prototype vehicle was spotted in the wild just over this weekend, captured by a user on X going by M3P. A heavily covered vehicle was seen driving on the California highway near Tesla's Fremont factory. While only a quick drive-by video was recorded, the body closely matches that of a Model Y, and given that only 2 upcoming vehicles are expected to use this platform, it's likely either the performance variant undergoing validation or more possibly the upcoming affordable models, as some frames reveal it having smaller, wider tires instead of the larger 21 inches. And then last but not least, in what could catapult Tesla ahead of every other EV company, a big surprise is looming for the next few months, as Elon has just said that Tesla will showcase the most epic demo ever by the end of this year coming out of the design studio. So there we have it, some really incredible news for existing Tesla owners. What this means is that not only the Model 3, S, and X going to be getting this upgrade, but this opens up the possibility for existing older vehicles to also jump onto the latest hardware. All they need to do is just swap the board with the new connectors and have the retrofit done with all the wiring harnesses and all the new hardware. Now, truthfully, what I think here is that they've been working on this for a very long time now. They have been planning to get hardware 3 and hardware 4 onto the latest hardware 5, which is going to be coming out early next year. They are going to make everything right, and they're starting out with the software now fully compatible, making it a plug and play system. All you need to do is just pop it in and everything starts activating. Now, as for the part where you can do this yourself in the comfort of your own home, eventually everything is going to be available in the parts catalog. Matter of fact, it might even be available now because the Model S and X refresh is already available. But what this means is once you have all of it at your home, plug and play, get everything working, and the software is pretty much ready. If you can do this yourself, you'd be saving a ton of money compared to going into the service center. But of course, just be aware that before you can even start all of this, it's gotta be supported. This retrofit has to be announced. The software is right now just in the service mode until it makes it to the official main UI. Even if you get everything working, it's not gonna be perfect. So wait out for that. They're gonna be pushing this out to every compatible car right now and hopefully expand this to the rest of the fleet. We'll just have to wait and see, but this is a really good first step and a really good sign. Then of course, for the last little bit here, what do you think could contribute to the most epic event ever? This is something that Elon has just posted on X, some product that we just don't know about yet. I think it's gonna be the Roadster, but I have no idea. This could be the most shocking thing we've had in a very long time, a new product. Anything could practically roll out. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Let me know in the comments below. I will continue to keep my eyes out for everything that comes up, so love it if you stick it around. Hit the subscribe, the bell notification if you haven't already done so. Follow me on X at HeyJohnny. Over there you'll see things you wouldn't see here. You can chat with me anytime. I'll respond as quickly as possible. This is John. Once again, peace out.